Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have here a 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom townhouse for rent. This property is a great family oriented complex located smack in the middle of the Golden Triangle Sandhurst Crescent, Kingston. The yard has a lovely backyard and the unit is great for entertaining and a lovely open concept layout. Great for children or to host a barbecue. The unit has 3 large rooms upstairs, each with an ensuite bathroom. The master has a lovely jetted tub. There's a large balcony of the master to have your morning coffee. The downstairs has a helper's quarters with its own bathroom. This townhouse comes with appliances. Other features of this townhouse includes ceramic, wood and porcelain flooring, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, swimming pool, kitchen built-ins, jetted bathtub, main level entry, fully fenced, fully walled, 24-hour security, appliances only, central location, easy access, family oriented, golf course nearby, private settings, low yard maintenance, recreation nearby, quiet area, landscaped, paved road, and level lot. The current price of this townhouse is US $3,000 per month or Jamaican $462,000 per month. Now, let's take a look at this townhouse and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.